Right. So, I've heard snippets of AI being used in other spaces, like, the next level from AlphaGo was the protein folding problem. Has that come across
That one
your?
I do not know.
Okay, so when you have a protein, which is a long chain or sequence of amino acids that are tied together, the building block for like muscles and
Hmm.
other types of complex tissues within our bodies. One of the deep problems with proteins is even though you know the exact sequence of the proteins, you have no idea how the protein bundles up and forms whatever structure it needs to form. And it turns out the structure that it forms means a lot more than the actual components of the sequence.
Okay.
So the 3D structure that it forms can be very important to understand because it tells us, how is this protein going to interact with this hormone and how is it going to gel within the, body and things like that, right?
Okay.
And so understanding how a protein will fold up is very important. And we have some ways of figuring this out. Essentially, what somebody had to do before this type of technology was put forward is they would spend their entire PhD career figure out how one single protein may fold up. And they have to analyze it through all these various complex scientific processes that are very slow and mechanical, essentially. You have to do a lot of
Okay.
trial and error and whatnot. So yeah, protein folding was a problem that was considered almost impossible to figure out. Well, at this point, it's old news as well. So it turns out that the team that put forward the Go AlphaGo came up with a protein folding algorithm using